Hai guys, jangan lupa ya untuk like video ini dan juga komen, dan yang lebih utama lagi adalah subscribe, karena subscribe itu gratis.
I'm going under and this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, just somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. For now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. I'm going under and this time I feel there's no one to turn to. This all or nothing way of loving got me sleeping without you. I need somebody to know, somebody to heal.
I heard a glass shatter on the wall in the apartment above mine. At first I thought that I was dreaming, then I heard a voice from a girl and it sounded like she'd been crying. Now I'm too worried to be sleeping, so I took the elevator to the second floor, walked down the hall and then I knocked upon her door. She opened up and I asked about the things I've been hearing. She said,
I think your ears are playing tricks on you. My sweater's zipped up to my chin. Thanks for caring, sir, that's nice of you, but I have to go back in. Wish I could tell you about the noise, but I didn't hear a thing. You know it must have been the wind, must have been the wind, must have been the wind, it must have been the wind.
she said it must have been the wind, must have been the wind, must have been the wind, it must have been the wind. So I was laying on the floor in my room, cold concrete on my back. No, I just couldn't shake the feeling. Didn't wanna intrude cause I knew that I didn't have all the facts, but couldn't bear the thought of leaving her. So I took the elevator to the second floor, walked down the hall and then I knocked upon her door. She opened up and I asked about the things I've been hearing. She said,
I think your ears are playing tricks on you. My sweater's zipped up to my chin. Thanks for caring, sir, that's nice of you, but I have to go back in. Wish I could tell you about the noise, but I didn't hear a thing. You know it must have been the wind, must have been the wind, must have been the wind, it must have been the wind.
she said it must have been the wind, must have been the wind, must have been the wind, it must have been the wind. In my boombox at the roof I'm playing leaning on me, just so that she knows that she can lean on me. And when she hears the words I hope she knows she'll be okay. In my boombox at the roof I'm playing leaning on me, just so that she knows that she can lean on me. And when she hears the words I know exactly what I'll say. Promise I'm not playing tricks on you, you're always welcome to come in. You can stay here for an hour or two if you ever need a friend.
We can talk about the noise when I'm ready. Until then,
I'll say it must have been the wind, must have been the wind, must have been the wind, it must have been the wind. I'll say it must have been the wind, must have been the wind, must have been the wind, it must have been the wind.